Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today this is part 2 of how to create a full advertisement with all AI tools. Now, I know last time in part 1 there were some discrepancies about the logo and the image kind of changing with the AI tools, but we've come a long way. There are some new tools, there are some new features out. So I'm going to test these all out today, and I'm going to create a full 15-second short commercial. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy. Once again, I start in ChatGPT, and this is AquaZen. You might remember I had the can. Now we're going way more environmentally friendly. We got the glass, and we have kind of a rebrand here a little bit. And we got stillness in every sip. It has a bit of logo here. It has the little flower here, hint of lemongrass. And then we have it in the hand. And then we have her drinking it there. And we also have this here as well. So I'm going to download these images, and we'll be able to compare the label to the video generation. That's kind of the main point here is we want to actually be able to use these in advertisements, but we want to make sure the brand and the logo and the label stays intact. So we start off by going to Google Labs, and this is labs.google, and in here is all these really cool new tools. There's actually so many. I went in there and was playing around, but I'm going to stick with the ones that I've really been liking, and we're going to get into Flow. For you do need a Google Pro account to get access to this, but we're going to do, if we go down here now and we're going to click frames to video, the image of the product, and then we're going to show the image of the lady drinking it, and hopefully, you know, as she drinks it, the logo stays intact. I'm going to keep the prompt pretty simple here. I realize sometimes with this video generation, what it does is it actually has to rebuild the image. So the image reasoning of these models is getting better. So let's pop in the two images here. So one other thing I noticed with Flow is they're always wanting me to make more landscape and not horizontal. So I'm gonna do it large like this, so then I can crop it in, but that's just what I'm dealing with right now. Drink down on a rock, and then the hand picks the drink up. So let's get this generating here. Just head over to suno.com. Created some instrumentals. You can do simple or custom here at the top, and simple, click instrumental here, hip hop instrumental. You can add lyrics, no lyrics, and generate, and they'll come over here, and then we will download one of these and use it. So we'll just play one here. Right here, it's Higgsfield.ai, click there. Higgsfield.ai, you do get a bunch of free credits when you sign up, but it's not like reoccurring. Every month you don't get new credits, but they got some really cool features for advertisers here. So we're gonna go to create video. I'm gonna generate here, and let's see how it goes. All right, now we're gonna head over to 11 Labs. This is also a free tool, this one, and you get 10,000 credits every month, and this is where we're going to do our cool voiceover. So we're going to go into 11 Labs. So you can choose your voices here. There's a lot of different voices, but where we want to go is text to speech once you've found the voice you want to use. And what we're going to do, this is so funny, I got AquaZen already in there. Perfect. Copy, go back over, pop it in here, and here's some of our voices.
Take a deep breath. Inhale the calm, exhale the worry. You are exactly introducing AquaZen, mineral water tea.
Download it. Now we're gonna go see if the videos are done generating yet. All right. So that's not as good as I would have liked. All right, so we got some more VO3 back. Let's take a look here. Okay, pretty cool. It kept the logo intact, which is pretty cool. Now let's go over to Higgsfield. once again, Higgsfield, I think, is like killing it for these advertisements. But let's download this. And this is not sponsored by them. I just really like their product. All right, now I'm heading over to CapCut. I'm gonna put together the video images that we created, the audio instrumental, also the audio voiceover, and I'm gonna put it all together in CapCut. I'll probably just time lapse this. This is not, unfortunately, not a CapCut tutorial, but it is a fairly easy platform to use. You can use it for free up to 5 gig, and I find for these short videos, it's great for that. Anyway, let's just get going here.
Introducing AquaZen, mineral water tea infused with mint, white tea, and a hint of lemongrass. Pure, refreshing, mindfully crafted. AquaZen, stillness in every sip.
All right, guys, and there you have it. Just like that, I do think it's getting better at keeping the logo and all the text intact. So with VO3, Higgsfield, like these programs, they're getting really good at it. So yeah, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll give you another update as soon as these models come up with new versions. And another cool thing, I don't know if you saw that, but in ChatGPT, logos now have PNG. They have transparent backgrounds. So when I went to ask for the logo, check that out. PNG.